We, the princesses of Muthamil Public School,
are highly excited to celebrate our day,
World Girl Child Day.
We are powerful.
Give us our rights
And empower us to topple the world.
For we are the trendsetters, change makers,
And leaders of the future.
Hail all the girls of the world.
Together, let's dazzle the world.
In the eyes of the girls lies the future of tomorrow. Girls are like seeds. Let's nurture them with love and opportunity so that they provide shade for us all in future. Let us empower the girls with education, needed nutrition to realize their dreams and dazzle the world. They are going to be the future mentors, budding leaders, change makers and icons of the future. So together, let's grow their dreams. Thank you.